Hello, good day once again. This is Maestro Sani para sa isa namang video lessons po natin sa Science Grade 6, fourth quarter, seasons in the Philippines. Okay, so this is our introductory questions in order to present this lesson. So we will read. Do you consider the time of the year in planning your activities? How about going on a field trip or on a vacation? How about the farmers? When do they plant their and harvest their crops? So these are the questions which should be answered by the learners, uh, giving their uh, ideas or advanced ideas with this question. Okay, so we will also present this lesson by reading the poem Seasons by Kimberly Joy T. Vicente. Ayan po. So the sky is so blue, the sky is so dark, the warm sun is glowing, the clouds start raining. From January to February, the air is cold and dry. From June to September, rainy seasons is coming by. Dry season is so much fun, especially under the heat of the sun. We can hike, swim, play, and run. So with drying crops from the farm. Rainy season is coming soon. Expect that there will be typhoons. Always bring an umbrella to keep you safe, but it's better to stay at home for your own sake. How precious are the seasons, wet and dry with reasons. Seasons are blessings that hope and dreams are coming. So ito po yung short poem that describe the season, the wet and dry season, what is all about, and what are the things to do during these kinds of season. Okay, so seasons in the Philippines, the Philippine climate warm and humid year round. So it's only characterized by the Philippine climate is characterized by warm and humid year round. This is considered to be one of the world's healthiest tropical climates. Bakit? Why? Because we have the time to plant and the time to harvest. So kaya siya uh, healthiest tropical climate. So the Philippines has two seasons, wet and dry. This means that the solar energy we receive is more or less the same throughout the year. Our climate is warm and humid. The following factors influenced by the seasons of the country. So its location on the latitude, wind system, bodies of water, and the amount of rainfall. So we'll discuss this one by one after this one. So this with to describe the wet season, it is characterized by rainy season with thunderstorm that starts June and peaks in July to September. So yun yung pinaka-peak nyo. Kung mapapansin po natin, maraming tag-ulan sa mga panahon po na yan. Daytime temperatures ranges from 30 to 36 degrees and degrees Celsius. And during nighttime, temperature ranges from 21 to 28 degrees Celsius. So the air is hot and humid, brings heavy rains and typhoons in the country. Rainfall also is relatively high, but regional contrast is remarkable. So it depends upon the different locations in the country kung kailan po yung kanilang wet. Kasi may hindi po nagkakasabay-sabay minsan. Then, precipitation is highest in the area where the southwest monsoon strikes. During rainy season, it is advisable to carry an umbrella, especially in the late afternoon. So yan, so pagka southwest monsoon, yan po yung tinuturing po nating rainy seasons. Nandiyan po yung habagat na nagdadas na tag-ulan. Dry season is also characterized by hot and cloudless day. Between January and May, the climate is generally dry with occasional rain showers. From January to February. So yung mga natitira-tira pang tag-ulan ay binubuhos niyan po from January to February pero pa isa-isa lang at may mga mahinang tag-ulan. The air is cold and dry. The peak of the dry season is April with fewer rain showers. So ito po yung pinaka mahinit na panahon ng sa Pilipinas. April, May, March, April, May. Dry season is influenced by wind and northern monsoon, the amihan. Northeast breeze from Siberia and northern China is cool and dry, which brings prolonged period of successive cloudless days. Temperature at daytime ranges from 25 to 32 degrees. Umaabot pa po yan ng 38 to 42 degrees depende sa mga lugar sa Pilipinas. Sa northern, especially sa Cagayan, umaabot po yan 41, 42 degrees Celsius, napakainit. Yun po yung pinakamainit na bahagi ng Pilipinas during summer. So it is advisable to wear light colored cotton clothes during warm days to be comfortable. So kaya po yung ating Department of Education pinapayuhan po ng mga not only learners but teachers to wear uh, yung ating uh, colored colored shirts. So minsan hindi po muna tayo pinagsusuot ng uniform kasi napakainit. Okay, so what are the factors affecting the seasons in the Philippines? So apat po yun. First is the location of the country in the globe. So north po tayo ng equator. During summer, naka-vertical po ang rays ng sunlight kaya napakainit. The sun's heat causes much water to evaporate and to fall as it rains later on. Some part of the year experiences dry season and wet season since the earth's revolve around the sun. So it is also affected by the rotation and the revolving of the earth around the sun. Then different parts of the country experience short dry season while the other parts have marked rainy seasons. It is also affected by the prevailing winds, the southeast monsoon or the southwest monsoon or the habagat. Ito yung nagdadala ng malalakas na tag-ulan sa ating bansa. That is during the month of June, July, August to September. And the hanging amihan, which starts, ito yung malamig na hangin galing sa China or Siberia. That starts on November, pag malamig-lamig na, November, December, January hanggang February. Pag natapos na yun, then dry season na ulit. Okay, so ito po yung amihan as what I have said a while ago. Nanggagaling po yan sa northern part ng globe or sa northern hemisphere. And the habagat sa southern hemisphere or the southern part of the globe. So ano naman yung mga pwedeng gawin during dry season? So uh, people fond of doing outing like picnics, long trips, recreational activities like hiking, swimming, especially mountain climbing, gardening, and house cleaning, drying clothes, and ground improvements. During wet season naman, reading books, watching television, writing short stories, poems, songs, playing musical instruments, blogging, chatting, surfing, and playing video games. Kaya since nasa loob lang tayo ng bahay, ito po yung mga gawain pwede natin gawin during wet or rainy season. So ayan po. So what we have learned, the Philippine climate, or to sum it up, the Philippine climate is humid and warm year-round. It is considered to be one of the world's healthiest tropical climates. The Philippines has two seasons. Wet is characterized by a rainy season with thunderstorm, and dry is characterized by hot and cloudless days. Another factor that affects season in the country is the prevailing winds such as the southwest monsoon or habagat and the northeast monsoon or amihan, which blow mostly in a single direction. Weather is relatively high, but regional contrast is remarkable depending on the size and position of the land, location of mountain ranges, and direction of moisture-bearing winds. So, ayan po ang ating lesson for today. Thank you very much. Sana po ay mag-subscribe kayo sa aking YouTube channel. Uh, I-like and share ang video at i-click ang notification bell para ma-notify po kayo sa mga susunod pang video. In case you want my PowerPoint presentation, just message me up my Facebook account, San Matchas, and my Messenger account. So that's all. Thank you very much.